Energy isn't just about how much you have, it's about how well your body handles what life throws at you. Whether you're balancing a demanding career, managing a household, training hard, or just trying to keep up with it all, it's easy to hit a wall. That wall usually isn't because you're lazy or unfocused. It's because your body's stress response has been worn thin. This is where Ultra Energy comes in. Ultra Energy is a professional grade adaptogenic herbal tincture designed to support your adrenal system, the part of you responsible for managing stress, energy, and resilience. It's not about cranking you up like caffeine or sugar would. It's about helping your body adapt calmly, steadily, and powerfully to everyday stressors. Inside every drop of Ultra Energy, there's a master blend of 13 herbs used for centuries in traditional wellness systems. You've got ashwagandha to help calm and stabilize, Rhodiola and gynostema to support mental clarity and stamina, Reishi and Astragalus to nourish your immune system, and Ginseng for long-lasting vitality without the crash. What sets this formula apart isn't just the herbs, it's how your body absorbs them. Ultra Energy uses advanced liposomal delivery, meaning these nutrients bypass digestive roadblocks and go straight into your bloodstream. That means faster results and more noticeable support. Instead of that wired but tired feeling some people get from synthetic energy products, Ultra Energy helps you feel grounded and focused, like you're finally back in rhythm with your day. Whether you're recovering from burnout, training for something big, or just want to feel better supported through your day-to-day, Ultra Energy is a powerful tool to have on your side. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey! Hey!